In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Thrustmaster T128 to a PC. So first of all, you will have to check your version because T128 has a P version, which is a PlayStation buttons version, and they have an X version, which has Xbox buttons version. Both versions works on Windows 10 and 11, so you don't have to worry about anything. But of course, before connecting the wheel, you'd like to go and open the official Thrustmaster support page. So you can go to any browser example, type connect my T or Thrustmaster T128 to a PC, and of course they will give you the support page. You can go and select your T128 version. They will give you two versions, the PlayStation 1 and the Xbox One, and you have the option from there to download the last's PC driver force feedback package. They do have everything there, the manual, the drivers, the firmware, and the buttons mapping. So just go and download the driver, run the installer, and then not connect the wheel until the installer tells you to. Once the installer is finished, you'll have to restart your computer after installation. Then you can start by connecting your pedals and power. So connect the pedal cable on the wheelbase, connect the supplied power adapter, secure the wheel on your desk using the clamp, and place the pedal firmly on the floor. Then when the installer asks, just plug the USB cable directly into your computer and avoid any USB hubs or extension cables because the wheel may turn automatically during calibration, so keep your hands away until it stops. And of course, you can always test the wheels in Windows by pressing Windows R, type joy.cpl, and select the Thrustmaster and click Properties. And from there, you can test any steerings, accelerators, brakes, buttons, and everything. And you can also change the wheel rotation angle, force feedback, strength from the Thrustmaster control panel. And of course, inside the game, you can do whatever you want with the settings. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.